I I noticed this bird outside from the glass wall. So I was inside the store and I noticed this bird taking some sticks and fly. So I went outside to check it out. Then so happened to observe that they're building a nest in the Starbucks logo and the letter C. So I think letter C there can be easily build a nest in there. So I love watching the bird taking the sticks, flying, and then delivering the sticks to the nest. This bird is so determined to get some sticks. I think this bird is pregnant. So she's building a nest to lay her eggs. So and now she's taking all these small sticks. Oh, there's another one. I think this is the male bird, and one female bird is I think she's weaving the the nest, and this is the male. The one who's carrying the small sticks was the male bird, and there she is. She is the female bird waving all the sticks in our Starbucks logo. I think it's a nesting season because it's a winter time. It's a good to breed this season. So we're waiting for the male to come back. I don't see him anymore. So there she is. The female bird is a smaller one, and this here comes the male bird again. They're waving together now. And the male bird goes to fly again, looking for a small sticks near to me. Wow, he's so courageous. He's so determined, guys. Good luck, both of you.